Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. And look where I am. I'm at the Xichu Center here in TST, a beautiful building with absolutely gorgeous design, coming to around 5 p.m. here in Hong Kong. And I have today, at this time, my first look of none other than the Xiaomi Mi 11. And your first look on Frankie Tech of the Xiaomi Mi 11. Snapdragon 888 is here, guys. It is here. This is happening. I'm shaking, guys, because this phone has made an incredible initial impression. And let's go ahead before we do this and increase the sleep time here on this phone. And let's talk about it, guys. I got this phone, I guess, 2 days after the release in China. And what can I say? Initial impressions. That's all this is going to be, guys. A first look, meaning I'm going to talk to you guys about design, display, performance, talking about the audio quickly, and then we'll do the classic Frankie Tech camera shot. But just want to leave this phone here in front of this gorgeous building. Wow. Xiaomi, you've created a stunner. And obviously, as you guys know, this phone was just announced for 3,999 RMB. That is the version that I got, the 8128 version. Let me show you. There it is, 8128. And let's talk about it, guys. Design, initial impressions. Holy moly. Xiaomi has knocked it out of the park again with what I consider probably the most beautiful design of any phone they've ever released. I love these kind of flat edges at the top, and the camera module has definitely been a bit of a kind of a, you could say some people have liked it, a bit polarizing, some people haven't. But I do like it, guys. And in person, let me tell you, it looks a lot better in person than I expected it would. You see the ring here around the main camera, and you have your pretty large ultra-wide and macro camera. No telephoto, though, on the Mi 11. You're going to have to wait for the Mi 11 Pro to get that. But in terms of design, absolutely stunning. The curves aren't as bad as I thought they'd be, and I can deal with that. It also gives the phone a very sleek look. Loving the design so far of this Xiaomi Mi 11. Display, 6.81 QHD display, guys. First time Xiaomi has ever gone to 2K on one of their displays. And there you see you can choose light mode and dark mode now. Let's check though the refresh rate, because that's the big difference here. Oh, it wasn't out of the box at 120 hertz. So you see here it says medium. We're gonna go ahead and select that. There we go. And now, guys, we have 2K 120 hertz on this phone. Unbelievable. The display is everything it's been cracked up to be, guys. What a stunning display. Let me look at the white point real quick. Guys, first impressions here. This is what I'm sharing here. And this is the first time I'm looking at this display. Talking through a mask too as well. Stay safe, guys. Wear your mask as always. And the punch hole is really small. Now the curves, I've noticed some people mentioning the curves have a pretty large radius here. And I don't know if I like that. It has a bit of a kind of a wonky look here, but other than that, the display is absolutely gorgeous, stunning, absolutely stunning. Performance, the first Snapdragon 888 phone in the world, in my hands. Unbelievable. And this is going to be a performance beast with Antutu scores in the 700,000s. And here you see powered by, let's see it if it's actually the case. It says MIUI 12.0.10, so not MIUI 12.5 just yet, but as soon as this gets MIUI 12.5, I will be doing a review of that software as well. Performance should be best in class. Officially the fastest phone I've ever tested on the channel and the fastest phone in the world. Incredible, guys. Look at this back, man. I'm just stunned by this back. It is absolutely beautiful. Audio, talking about audio, we have dual speakers on this Mi 11. You see there and there. It's so good to see that they have not skimped on that, guys, because I was worried after the Mi 10 Ultra really didn't do that we would not see this on the Mi 11. So glad we finally did. And let's do it, guys. The classic Frankie Tech camera shot. And what better kind of place. Sorry, guys, there's some people right here. They're a little enjoying their Sunday off. So I'm gonna let them get out of the way here. And let's take a photo of this beautiful building. Look at that. Look at that stunning shot there. 108 megapixel camera here on the Mi 11. And of course you have this pretty good ultra wide. No telephoto though, as I mentioned. Let's look at these results here. Agree. And a lot of people were in the view, so let's go ahead and do that one more time. 3, 2, 1. There we go. And let's do an ultra wide shot too. Always one-handed here, guys, on Frankie Tech. 3, 2, 1. Let's take a photo of this building right here. It's absolutely beautiful day here in Hong Kong. And I figured I'd come to a really picturesque spot to share with you guys this gorgeous first shots here of the Xiaomi Mi 11. And it's looking really good. So there you go, guys. First look here of the Xiaomi Mi 11. Look at that. It's almost like it's a part of the building. Look at that. That's so cool. And stay tuned, of course, for the full review. As you guys know here on Frankie Tech, you know, after we spend an hour, couple hours with the phone, it's a first look. And in no way am I going to rush this review, guys, just because I'm one of the earliest channels in the world to get this. Definitely want to give this the TLC, the actual time and attention that it deserves. I think you guys deserve it as well, to get a full kind of comprehensive review of this phone after multiple days of use, maybe even a week of use. I don't do reviews after a few hours. I don't even want to do them anymore after a few, like a 24 hours or 48 hours. I want to do a review and do this justice after a week. So stay tuned, guys, for my full review of the Xiaomi Mi 11. But initial impressions, guys, wow. Xiaomi, you've knocked it out of the park once again. So that's it for this one, guys. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. Now, which side should we leave here as the final shot? Let's do the other side. What a stunner, guys. What a stunner. So that's it for this one. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Stunner, guys. What a stunner.